welcome back to my channel. My first long form video. I'm really excited. So I haven't been posting much this summer. I've just been a bit unmotivated, but I'm back and hopefully I'm going to be more productive with everything. I've been very invested in my nails. Okay, this is everything that I'm using, but you don't have to have a little bowl like this. It's just to have everything in there. These are just some charms and the seed beads. Also have this little scooper, scissors, all of these charms from Shein, and I just put them all into a kit. This is from Amazon, and I've repurchased this many times. The string is from Temu. I will put it around my wrist, so that will be like the size of the bracelet, like the perfect size. But I tried to go a bit longer, like quite a bit longer. Like that seems like a reasonable amount. Then the string is elastic cord, so it does take longer to cut. So yeah. Okay, so first of all, I use this to like secure the string. So what I like to do is I like to put it at an angle. So you see it's like that. Then I just clip it in. I'm going to be going with a little starfish. I always have to do 2 pearls. So I'm picking my colors. I'm doing these two. These two are really pretty blues. This side. So, like the bead. So it'll have a hole on 2 sides. And then the string. And then you have to, I know this sounds pretty weird, but you have to like align it with it and then push it through the hole. And carry it on the string. I'm gonna quickly go finish the rest. Make an X with the string. I like to go like that, so you go underneath the string. And you grab it. Then I already had it once, but I was scared if it was gonna fall. So this is how you can tie it. So put that, I like to do it around my 2 fingers. And then you grab this one after making an X. And I like to put it in between my 2 fingers, and I'll slide it through. And then don't cut it like out here, because you're gonna have like these tassels everywhere. You need to grab the string. Both of them, don't just do one at a time. And you have to go as close as you can without cutting the actual bobblehead. And then you cut it. That was the tutorial. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I really hope that you guys make a ton of bracelets. And comment down below if you thought this was helpful and all the bracelets that you've made.